2025, the growth of the beauty and personal care sector in the Philippines was exceptional at an average of 10.1%, even surpassing that of our neighbors in the Asia-Pacific region. But what is more exciting is that industry forecasts that this momentum of growth is expected to continue through 2026. We do realize, however, that there are challenges and that the economic landscape in the Philippines is ever-changing. So, CCIP is committed to promoting growth and innovation, and collaboration with Cosmovite is very vital. CCIP has organized 3 major events within the next coming days. The forum entitled Breaking the Cycle, Ending Mercury Use in Skin Lightening Products aims to unite the industry, regulators, academia, and consumers to champion mercury-free, safe, and quality products. Our general membership meeting will highlight best practices to enhance business growth and feature a monumental signing of an agreement between our chamber and TTI e-commerce in an effort to produce the e-commerce cosmetic landscape in the Philippines. Third, the CCIP Connect booth in the trade floors will feature experts and representatives of key government agencies such as FDA, DOC, IPO, DTI, and connect them with our members and the public to address possible industry concerns and issues. Together with the exciting exhibits prepared by Cosmovite, these series of activities create new opportunities for growth across the beauty ecosystem. We commend the organizers, the exhibitors, our partners, and the participants of Cosmovite Philippines for their dedication to advancing the industry. Together, we are building a stronger, a more innovative, and globally competitive Philippine cosmetics industry. We wish Cosmovite continued success and look forward to many more years of collaboration in empowering growth. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day.